Here's another big story on crypto that's happening this week. The XRPL Quantum Resistance Roadmap, Ripple publishes a 4-phase plan and targets full post-quantum cryptography by 2028, which is pretty fast. So what's happening is Ripple published a 4-phase roadmap to make Ripple XRPL fully quantum resistance by 2028, with phase 1 already active. Q-Day contingency protocols. Phase 2 beginning now, algorithm testing with quantum security firm Project 11, and phase 3 in Q2 2026, which is parallel integration on test networks, and phase 4 in 2028. Formal amendment for full post quantum cryptography. We have a whole lot of things that are going to be happening in the meantime that have to do with AI and cryptography and it all tying together. But XRPL is positioned to be part of that. It has a native advantage. It's built-in account level key rotation, meaning users can migrate to quantum secure keys without moving funds. And we just watched big hacks happening that make security top concern for most people. Bitcoin and Ethereum have no equivalent native migration mechanism and no firm quantum timeline. So they're not prepared for these shifts. It matters because Google's Willow chip demonstrated quantum supremacy in late 2024. The NIST post-quantum cryptography standards were finalized in 2024. The race to quantum-proof financial infrastructure is real, and XRPL just published the most credible near-term roadmap of any major blockchain. I would say that any crypto or any institution, any bank account, any wallet you have, you need to be aware that the security threats are real and coming fast down the road with the quantum mechanisms, with AI, and with all the fast developing changes, which are happening daily at this point. So if you're not paying attention, you're falling behind. You need to be watching what's going on. So this is infrastructure level moat building, and it does not show up in weekly price action, but it shows up in institutional due diligence for 7-figure allocations. Okay. And astrologically, Uranus is entering Gemini April 25th. Gemini rules information systems, communication protocols, and the technology layer of intelligence. So a quantum resistance roadmap for an information layer financial network published the week Uranus enters Gemini is the sky writing the headlines for us, right? It's writing the story in real time. This is not coincidence. This is Uranus and Gemini expressing its first act. And we have a whole lot more coming over the coming 7 years. Click the linked video for a lot more about what's going on this week with the astrology and crypto.